On June 22, 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose established the All India Forward Bloc after parting ways with the Congress Party. This split followed Bose's differences with Mahatma Gandhi and other senior Congress leaders in 1938, despite Bose serving as the Congress president at the time. Bose advocated for more aggressive measures in the freedom struggle, contrasting with Gandhi's emphasis on non-violent movements. The Forward Bloc aimed to unite all sections and communities of Indian society, ensuring their participation in the independence movement. Through rallies, meetings, and movements, Bose sought to mobilize and organize the masses for the cause of freedom. On June 22, 2016, the Indian Space Research Organisation, or ISRO, made history by successfully launching 20 satellites simultaneously using the highly reliable Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, or PSLV-C-34. The primary satellite of this mission was Cartosat-2, an Earth observation satellite weighing 727 kg, designed to monitor and map India's borders. The remaining 19 satellites included 17 for foreign customers. This remarkable feat of launching multiple satellites with a single rocket significantly saved both time and money, marking a major milestone in India's space program and showcasing ISRO's growing capabilities in space technology.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
On June 22, 2007, Indian origin astronaut Sunita Williams returned to Earth after her first space mission, setting a record for the longest time spent in space by a woman, with a total of 322 days. Born on September 19, 1965 in the USA, Williams embarked on her first space flight on December 9, 2006 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning via Soyuz TMA-10. During this mission, she completed 4 spacewalks, accumulating over 50 hours of extravehicular activity, another record. In 2012, Williams undertook her second space mission. Recently, on June 5, 2024, she made history again by becoming the first woman to fly a spacecraft test flight. At 58, Williams, along with NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore, traveled to the International Space Station aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft, marking her third space journey and reinforcing her legacy in space exploration. On June 22, 1633, the renowned Italian astronomer and mathematician Galileo Galilei was placed under house arrest. Galileo's assertion that the Earth revolves around the Sun challenged the prevailing belief endorsed by the Church that the Sun revolved around the Earth. His findings, perceived as a contradiction to divine scriptures, led the Roman Catholic Church to accuse him of heresy. His trial began on April 12, 1633, culminating in a guilty verdict on June 22, 1633, resulting in house arrest and banning of his books. Galileo was also required to recite 7 psalms weekly for 3 years as penance. He remained under house arrest until his death on January 8, 1642. Centuries later, on October 31, 1992, the Church officially acknowledged its error and confirmed that Galileo's heliocentric theory was correct. On June 22, 1941, Hitler launched Operation Barbarossa, one of the largest and most significant military campaigns of World War II, aiming to conquer the Soviet Union. Viewing the Soviet Union as a natural enemy, Hitler sought to destroy its military, seize its vast resources, and enslave its population. The German forces attacked in three main directions: Leningrad in the north, Moscow in the center, and Ukraine in the south. Deploying about 3 million soldiers, 600,000 vehicles, and 2,700 aircraft, the largest invasion force in history. Despite a non-aggression pact signed in 1939, Hitler's sudden attack initially brought swift success. However, the campaign ultimately dragged into a prolonged and brutal conflict. The war in Europe concluded after Hitler's death in April 1945, with World War II officially ending in September 1945.